2 new manufacturing plants, 4 times capacity by fiscal year 2028, and assured clients from group companies. Kalyani Steels Ltd, a steel manufacturer. Company has 5 decades of experience in manufacturing steel billets used in diverse industries from automotive and non-automotive segments. About 70% of the revenue is generated from automotive and 30% from the non-automotive segment. The company was incorporated in 1973 and got public in 1994. They are based in Pune with more than 84 employees and 325 workers. Company has one integrated manufacturing plant in Karnataka with a production capacity of 250,000 metric tons per annum. Company has signed MOU to set up 2 new manufacturing plants in Odisha at an estimated cost of Rs 11,000 crores. The market cap of the company is 3,343 crore rupees and currently trading at 766 rupees per share. The company has a 18% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 9% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company is part of Kalyani Group, which has more than 10,000 employees globally and a turnover of $2.1 billion. Bharat Forge is a flagship company of the Kalyani Group that serves top OEM clients and Tier 1 suppliers. Kalyani Steel fulfills the majority of the steel requirement, about 60% of the sales are to the group companies. In January 2024, company acquired Kamineni Steel Power India and plans to produce green steel at the new plant. The production capacity of the company is 350,000 metric tons per annum, increasing the overall capacity of the company to around 650,000 metric tons per annum. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records and clocking good profits year on year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Public holding is dropping, indicating that domestic investors are buying from the public. The company is giving good dividends every year. A dividend of 10 rupees per share was paid in fiscal year 2024. Company exports to only one country, with revenue concentration of more than 99% from domestic and negligible export revenue. Some clients of the company are Hyundai, Dana, Tata, Eicher, Force Motors, Mahindra, BHEL, Maharashtra Seamless, Eaton, and more. Company management is working to enhance production capacity and is confident of reaching 10 lakh metric tons per annum by fiscal year 2028. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.